Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 1099-B on TurboTax. First, ensure you have your Form 1099-B ready, which details your investment sales. Next, log into your TurboTax account. If you don't have one, it's easy to set up. Once logged in, you'll want to find the section dedicated to investment income. This is where we'll begin entering your capital gains and losses for accurate tax reporting. Now, let's input your Form 1099-B information. TurboTax often allows you to import data directly from many financial institutions, which saves time and reduces errors. If your institution isn't listed, you can manually enter the details. Carefully input the sales proceeds and the cost basis for each transaction. Remember to correctly categorize each sale as either a short-term or long-term gain or loss. After entering your data, it's crucial to review everything carefully. Compare the information in TurboTax against your physical Form 1099-B to ensure all transactions are accurately recorded. Pay close attention to any potential wash sales or other adjustments that might apply to your investments. Double-check that the cost basis for each sale is correct, as this directly impacts your taxable gain or loss. Once your investment data is complete and reviewed, TurboTax will automatically calculate your total capital gains or losses. Take a moment to review your entire tax summary to ensure everything looks correct before moving forward. When you're confident, you can proceed to file your tax return electronically. This step-by-step process helps ensure your investment income is reported accurately and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.